Hi guys, today how to install plugin in WordPress and other one is how to use installed plugin. First go to WP admin dashboard and click on plugin left menu. Then click on add new button for add new plugin. Then you go to search box for search plugin. Enter plugin name which you want to install. Then press enter to search plugin. After search, go on the search plugin name. Then click on install now button to install the plugin. After installing, click on activate button to activate the plugin. Then go to plugin section to see installed plugin. To deactivate plugin, click on deactivate link. To check box used to apply bulk action, activate, deactivate, update, delete the plugin. Then click on apply button to apply on the plugin like this. For use the plugin, go to install time generated contact left menu. Then click on contact form submenu. You can use default form, copy the shortcode. Then go to the pages left menu and click on the add new pages. Then enter the page title, contact us. Then click on plus icon with search shortcode and paste copy of contact form shortcode here. After then click on publish button to save page. Go with view page link. Now successful contact us form showing of the plugin. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for latest video notifications.